Optical Character Recognition, OCR. Online OCR tool is the image-to-text converter based on optical character recognition technology. Online OCR extracts text and characters from scanned PDF documents, including multi-page files, photos and digital camera-captured images. Using advanced image pre-processing algorithms and OCR technology, you can scan text from images and extract it to any editable format. It recognizes many different languages, and it gives you the possibility to convert image to text into 5 output formats. First, go to www.onlineocr.net. Select the file you want to convert from your computer and upload it. Second, choose the language in which the document is written and the format you want to download the document. Click on Convert and wait some seconds. After this, your file is ready to be downloaded so that you can edit it as you want to. We hope this tool can be useful at work or for your studies.